Hello, gentlemen. I am Rajkumar Soni, retired from the Indian Navy. I welcome you all in my channel Military Academy. Gentlemen, in this video, we shall share information about the scheme and syllabus of NDA and NA examination. Yes, we will have a detailed explanation of model questions too as per the latest notice of UPSC, that is exam conducting body for the NDA and NA. So about me, I am an instructor of competitive English, academic English, group discussion and physical fitness. My career history from 2004 to 2019 Navy, teaching experience I imparted instruction in the Navy too, as well as after retirement I am owning one academy, military academy, which is in Balia, Uttar Pradesh. My achievement or why am I remarkable? Gentlemen, I am an educator of an academy. Yes, this is my screenshot. Moreover, I have earned certificate for advanced English level C1, which is the second highest standard of English. Secondly, I have upper intermediate level B2 certificate from British Council, which is the third highest standard of English level. So now let's come to the topic, viewers. So this is the notice. Just for your information, I have given a screenshot. You can see the date here, which exam is going to conduct in on 6th of September. Okay, it got postponed due to corona, etc. and all. So this is the latest notification as per the UPSC. So this is just for information. You can also download from the UPSC website. So what this notification or this notice says about scheme and syllabus, gentlemen, on page number 18 of UPSC notice, they have given information about the scheme of examination that consists of paper, subject, full marks, number of multiple choice question, duration, etc. So what it says that there will be two paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be of mathematics and paper 2 will be of general ability test. It's called GAT. So our main concern is here, since we are talking about English syllabus. So this GAT paper will consist of 600 marks, 150 question for 2.5 hours. For every right answer, you will be getting 164, and for every wrong answer, you will be getting a penalty of 1.3. Okay. So, gentlemen, our main concern is here because in this GAT paper, okay, we'll have English question, 50 question total of 200 marks. That means 4 marks for each right answer, and for every wrong answer, you'll be getting penalty 1.3. So remember, the time duration for this paper is of 2.5 hours of the same GAT paper. It means in this 2.5 hours, you have to tackle this full GAT paper that consists of 150 questions, and in this 150 question, you will be having 50 questions for English, and remaining 100 question will be from GK, physics, chemistry, maths, etc., biology, etc. Okay. So gentlemen, let's talk about the syllabus. So on page 20 of UPSC notice, it says the question paper in English will be designed to test the candidate's understanding of English and workman-like use of words. What do you mean by workman-like? It means that you are able to speak, then understand, and then you are able to write. Okay, so the syllabus covers various aspects like grammar and usage, vocabulary, and then comprehension and cohesion in extended text to the candidate's proficiency in English. So what comprehension, we all know that the ability to comprehend, and comprehending and cohesion in extended text means that if a detailed passage is there and you are being asked one question, then you must be able to answer that question. That means that you are able to comprehend the passage fully. So let's talk about the complete syllabus. So what we have found out, English 200 marks, 50 questions will be there. So though they have not given a detailed information about the topic or the lesson from where questions will be coming, but yes, as per the previous paper, I have just summarized that what are the topics they are going to cover in the paper. For example, comprehension will be there. Okay, synonym will be there as part of vocabulary. As part of vocabulary, we'll have antonym question, spotting the error, yes, sentence improvement. We'll see examples of each questions. Ordering of words in a sentence, then fillers, yes, close test, and at last idioms and phrases. So this I have summarized after analyzing the last 10 years paper. Okay, last 10 years paper. So if you see last 10 years paper, so you'll be finding question of English from these topics. So for example, this is part of comprehension. Okay, so you'll be getting one passage like that, and maybe 4 to 5 questions you'll be asked from this passage. So this is part of comprehension. So gentlemen, this is part of vocabulary questions that will consist of synonym, antonym. So please pay attention. You may be given one sentence like here, and one word will be either bold, italics or underlined, and you have to find a similar meaning word from the available 4 options. The same is applicable for antonym too. You will be given one sentence or one gap will be there, and you have to fill the opposite meaning word in that gap. Okay, so it may be you may find a direct question that synonym of so and so is, or you may be given one sentence and you have to find one suitable synonym or antonym. So what about spot the erroneous parts? If any, yes, you may be given one sentence and the sentence may be having one error or may not have. Okay, so like that, if suppose you are finding that either of these A, B, C, okay, if you are finding that okay error is there, then you have to choose correct options either A, B, C. In case you feel there is no error, you can go for the options D. So please read the instruction carefully. Now let's come to sentence improvement part. So you may be given one sentence and a particular line, a particular word, phrase, etc. will be underlined, bold, italics, etc. And you have to improve the sentence with the available options. Okay. For example, here denied is there, so you have to replace it with suitable word like dislike, disobeyed, depending up to the context and meaning of the sentence. Okay. Now let's move to rearranging of words to make a sentence. Okay, you may be given a few words or phrases which are not there in a sequence, and you have to arrange these words or phrases in a sequence so that they make a meaningful sentence. Okay, meaningful sentence. Okay, like here if you see, human has given us God life as a gift. If you follow PQRS, it doesn't make a correct sentence. Okay, either you have to arrange it from this option RQSP, RQPS. So accordingly you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, so viewers, let's move to fillers. It is just like fill in the blank. So here grammar structure and your vocabulary skill is examined. So you need to pay attention on preposition, syntax, one word substitute. That means all these vocabulary part, tenses, idioms and phrases. Okay, secondary and advanced level vocabulary. So this is a bit tough, secondary and advanced level vocabulary. Okay, for example, you really want to grow as an entrepreneur, you have to learn to delegate. So you have to choose one suitable options either of these 4 options. Okay, so gentlemen, let's move to closed test. So there will be 5 to 10 blanks. Okay, this is also like fill in the blanks, but here it is a bit different from fill in the blanks because the gaps will be or blanks will be in a given passage. Okay, that needs to be filled, and the filled word should be correct with respect to meaning, structure and grammar. Okay, so this is different from fill in the blanks, because in fill in the blanks you may having one question and only one gap or blank will be there, but in closed test there will be a paragraph, and in that paragraph either 5 to 10 blanks will be there, and you have to fill in the blanks with suitable options that will be given there, so that the paragraph makes a sense. Okay, so let's look an example. During the World War I, penicillin was gap on patients. The gap were very much, but fortunately due to. It means for the serial one, you have to find one suitable options of these options For serial 2, you have to find suitable options from these options. So like this, you may have 5 to 10 blanks, and that you have to fill up so that the paragraph makes a complete sense. The complete para makes a sense. Okay. So gentlemen, let's move to idioms and phrases. What is difference between idioms and phrases? An idiom is a saying or an expression that when used in a certain context means something other than the literal meaning of the words. For example, if you see, you may be given one sentence, and in that sentence there will be a bold or underlined statement or italics statement, a phrase basically, and you have to replace with the suitable options. So what do you mean by oily tongue? That means flattery. Okay, so this is called idiom. Now let's move to phrase. So phrase questions. So phrase, it is a verb formation. Basically, normally the questions will be from phrasal verb. Okay, phrasal verb. So what is phrasal verb? So normally a verb with appropriate preposition is called phrasal verb. If you see, put means normally rakhna, but when you put a proper preposition and appropriate preposition up with, so that means to bear. Okay, so you may be given one sentence, I cannot put up with that nasty fellow. So you have to replace this underlined, bold or italics phrase or phrasal verb with suitable options. So that means tolerate. Okay, so gentlemen, let's summarize. So what we have found out after watching this video, that 50 questions will be there for English of 2.5 hours. Remember, this 2.5 hours is for the full GAT. That means 150 questions of GAT, and out of this 150, this 50 will be of English. Okay, so in this 50 questions, you will be having question from comprehension, vocabulary, spotting the errors, sentence improvement, ordering of words in a sentence, fillers, close test, etc. Gentlemen, I hope that you like this video of scheme and English syllabus for NDA and NA examination, including model questions on different topics. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, then like, share and comment to give me more energy so that I can make more such videos, important videos, authentic videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Best wishes. Get selected. Jai Hind.